Hello, my name is Todd Samlin, a sales engineer with Bucher & Suter. Welcome to this demonstration of Connects for Salesforce CCX Edition. A CSR using Salesforce logs into the Connects for Salesforce gadget, and thus the Cisco Contact Center, by entering his agent ID, his password, and his extension. Alternatively, the administrator can choose to have these credentials already filled in or save time by taking advantage of the auto login feature, so the agent will automatically be signed into the gadget when he logs into Salesforce. The agent can change the size of the gadget and move it anywhere he likes. You can also minimize and maximize. Notice the custom toolbars on the top and the bottom of the gadget. This allows customers to add Visualforce pages, links to Visualforce pages, drop-down menus, etc. in order to customize the gadget to meet their needs without breaking our plug-and-play concept. Notice in this example, the agent sees the calls he made or received today, notes he took in the gadget, and real-time displays. The agent will manage the call in the Connects gadget and use a Cisco IP telephone or IP communicator for the voice stream. He changes his status from not ready to ready and is now available to take calls. The agent accepts the call in the Connects gadget and they are connected. In this example, the CSR can see the customer's phone number, department selected, Annie Dinas, arrival type, and the customer's name. In an actual deployment, the contact center administrator would configure the gadget to display information about the customers and his needs that's relevant and useful to the agents. In addition, the customer's information automatically popped into Salesforce. In this demo, a contact popped based on the customer's phone number, but the administrator could choose to pop other types of records based on other identifiers such as call or enter digits. Configurable screen pops provide agents with valuable information and save both the customer and agent time, since the agent won't have to manually search for the correct record. The agent can associate any record in Salesforce with the call. In this example, he pulls up a case and clicks the Assign Now button. He can also type notes inside the gadget. When he clicks on the Call Activity button, he could view the Salesforce tasks created for this call. Our gadget has populated this task with useful and relevant information, such as the record the agent associated with the call, the customer's name, notes taken inside the gadget, the type of call, call duration when the call is completed, Annie Dinas, wrap-up reasons left in the gadget, etc. This information is useful to managers who may want to see exactly what happened on each and every call, both inbound and outbound. Let's say the agent needs assistance from another agent, shown on the left. He could see who is available to assist. In this instance, he sees that his coworker is logged in, but is in the not ready state, indicated by the red sphere. He can also see that everyone else is logged out, so no help there. This is all useful information because he certainly doesn't want to transfer a call to someone who isn't available. With an RTD, all agents know what's going on in the contact center in real time. The second agent goes into the ready state, and the first agent can see his coworker is now available to help. He could type in part of his coworker's name to search for him, or part of his phone number or extension, or his entire extension, and call him. Second agent sees it's an internal call, and he answers. The first agent can ask the second agent if he wants to take the call. The second agent might say, well, maybe, what's it about? The first agent could pull up any record in Salesforce and share it with the second agent by clicking Share Record. Notice in the second agent's gadget, Shared Record Open appears. Second agent clicks it. Second agent sees the record and says, I'll take the call. The first agent might conference in the customer, introduce him to the second agent and drop out, or transfer the call. If he transfers the call, notice that the second agent gets the same screen pop and the same information in the gadget as the first agent. So the second agent knows what the call is about, who the customer is, and what the customer wants. This means the customer won't have to waste time identifying himself a second time, explaining why he called, and wait for the new agent to pull up his record. This reduces labor costs and increases customer satisfaction. Second agent picks a wrap-up reason, hangs up the call, picks a not ready reason, logs out, and picks a logout reason. Reason codes are useful to supervisors who run reports and track agent activity. For outbound calling, we've telephony enabled all the phone numbers in Salesforce. So the agent can click on a phone number to call, or type in part of a customer's name or part of a customer's phone number to make the outbound call, and they're connected. In summary, Connects for Salesforce CCX Edition is an out-of-the-box, easy-to-use, easy-to-implement, and feature-rich integration of Salesforce and Cisco's CCX. Thank you for watching this demonstration of Connects for Salesforce CCX Edition.